Hello friends. Welcome to this video. In this tutorial, we will install Control Web Panel, CWP, on AlmaLinux 8.9 in a step-by-step manner. CWP is actually a free server management panel that enables you to easily manage your server through a web-based interface. This tutorial is based on the official documentation of the control-webpanel.com. As you can see, according to the official website, the best recommended operating systems for installing CWP are AlmaLinux 8.x, preferably, and CentOS Stream 9. Well, the first step is to log into the server. We need to connect with the root user via SSH. So enter this command in the terminal. The terminal will prompt you, "Are you sure you want to continue the connection?" Confirm it by typing yes. The next step is to install the required tools. Here we only need wget. wget is a tool for downloading files from the internet. As you can see on the reference site, you use this command to install. Enter it in the terminal and press the Enter key. At this stage of the installation, you need to update the system so that all packages are upgraded to the latest version. We use this command. That's it. The server has been updated. In the final part of this stage, the server needs to be rebooted. So, use the reboot command. As you can see in the installer tab from the reference site, when the server is up again, we need to go to this path and download the latest CWP installation script. So enter this command. Now it's time to run the installation script. To run it, use this command. Note that depending on the server resources, this step may take a few minutes. When the installation is complete, the system will reboot automatically. If it doesn't, use the reboot command in the terminal. Well done. After the server is up, you can access CWP through a browser. To log in, you can use these two ports, port 2086 for HTTP and port 2087 for HTTPS. The default username is root, and the password is the same as the server's root password. As you can see, it's that easy. CWP installation on AlmaLinux 8.9 was successful. From now on, you can easily manage your server via the web panel. If you are happy with this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. If you are interested in other tutorials, let us know in the comments so we can make a tutorial video about it as well. Thank you for being with us. See you next time.